the story of 3 little birds and the Garden of Change. Narrated by Kiddiestorysprout. Chapter 1, The Garden Friends. Phoenix, Sunflower, and Lily were 3 little birds living in a beautiful garden. They were the best of friends and loved to explore their surroundings. They spend most of their days learning new things and playing together. One sunny day, as they were wandering around the garden, they stumbled across a small stream that flowed through the garden. As they were admiring the sparkling waters, they noticed something strange. There were plastic wrappers and bottles flowing through the waters, and it made them sad. "We need to do something to help the stream," said Phoenix. The 3 friends decided to pick up all the trash they could find in the stream and on the ground. They worked tirelessly to remove all the litters and debris from the garden. Chapter 2, Taking Care of the Environment. Phoenix, Sunflower, and Lily. As they were cleaning up the garden, they noticed some plants that was struggling to grow because of the pollution. "We need to take care of our environment," said Lily. "Let's plant some more flowers and trees to make the garden beautiful again." So they got to work and planted new flowers and trees in the garden. They watered them and made sure they had enough sunlight to grow. Soon the garden was more beautiful than before. The 3 birds were proud of their hard work and decided to teach other animals in the garden how to take care of their environment. They taught the birds to pick up the trash and put it in the bin, and the bees to pollinate more flowers. They even organized a cleanup day in the garden to teach others how to keep your environment clean. Chapter 3, Making a Difference. Their efforts paid off, and the garden became a happy and healthy place to live in. Animals in the garden then praised Phoenix, Lily, and Sunflower for their hard work and dedication. The 3 friends were happy that they could make a difference in their environment, and they know that anyone, no matter how small, can make a big impact in the world. They realized that it was important to take care of their environment to ensure it remains healthy and beautiful for future generations. As they look around the garden, they knew their work was not yet done. There is still so much more that need to be done to protect their home. But they are determined to keep working hard and making a difference one small step at a time.